Sir June, may slappy salute. May congratulations po sa iyong third SOSDA. I really appreciate your leadership, no? Sa marami pong achievements, marami pong accomplishments na nagawa dito. Not only on the field of education, but some other innovative and your extra efforts na ginawa po ninyo as a role model po ng Department of Education. Maraming mga kabataan, maraming teachers, marami pong landscape sa ating quality education na gawa ninyo para pumabago at mabigyan po natin ng maganda pong serbisyo ang ating buong Nortihanon. Particular na po ang Palapa. So sa ngalan po ng local government unit ng Palapa, binabati namin kayo ng maligayang SOSDA ngayong araw na to. This is your day and we really salute for your leadership. Napakaganda po. And then you are truly role model po, an epitome and a good role model ng Department of Education. So congratulations, good luck on your next journey. Baka ikaw magsusunod na basta. Thank you.